Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars GP Pro RV4 Airflow leather jacket. I got all those words out first time.
Okay.
This jacket retails for $549.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes only when
The product itself has been redesigned.
and there is that. Let's begin with sizing. That's probably one of the most important things we can share with you guys. How tall are you? What do you weigh? And what are you wearing?
I am 5'11". I weighed in at 173.0 pounds with no clothes on this morning.
You need to know that part.
And I'm wearing a 50 euro. Technically. Yeah, fits pretty
Not
good.
technically, that's definitely a 50 euro. I ordered it in for you.
No,
so.
it's a 50.5.
It's
Special.
50 euro.
I know.
So Max now is right on that edge, right? At 173,
Yeah.
which before next race season needs to be more like 160. He's right on the edge of going into that 52.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This jacket right now, it has the elbow and shoulder armor underneath. It's brand new, not broken in at all.
Yeah.
Okay. It fits him well.
It does.
If he's going to throw a Tech Air 5 under this thing, 100% have to go up a size.
I have to go up a size for sure. And a lot of people that, let's say you like your stuff tight. I like my stuff to be extremely tight because I'm a racer. So even if you're the same weight and height as me and you like your stuff kind of tight, I'd recommend going up to that 52. So with me, I have a smaller chest. I carry most of my weight in my back and my legs. And this does feel a little tight, if I'm being completely honest.
Yep. So, sizing, use this as a reference.
Yeah.
Also, the way you like things to fit. If you're looking at this and going, yeah, that looks cool, but I like a little more operating room, use that in conjunction with what we've shown you here to choose the right size for you.
And this is what I'd call a race fit. If I went one size up, it would be a comfort fit. That's kind of how I like to explain it.
Yeah, perfect. I love that. This jacket was designed for riders that are looking for a good, hot weather, protective leather jacket. Tons of perforation here. You can see the whole panel in the center here is all perfed.
Yep.
And there's a pattern to it. It looks kind of cool, right?
This stretch fabric down to the forearm also flows air
Completely.
really well.
Large perforated panels there, both sides of the abdomen. It's going to move a lot of air.
Explain.
That stretch fabric back here, this will move some air. And also, this is a newer stretch fabric that Alpinestars developed. They took a technical fabric and they infused this rubberized, I don't know, I'm not a scientist,
cool,
material in it that controls the way in which it stretches. It adds more tear and abrasion resistance to the fabric, and it wears lighter than other leather. It makes the jacket more comfortable.
A lot of MotoGP guys are wearing it. I've also seen a rider in Moto America. His name's Cameron Bobier. He uses it in a suit, which is pretty cool looking. And talking about a little more perforation, this is probably not going to do much, but in the shoulder, there's a little bit coming down here to, I guess, the end of the bicep. So.
Back of the jacket, perforated here across the top of the shoulder. Stretch fabric is used up here in the base of the neck. That just allows to transfer energy in that area to help the rider keep cooler and more comfortable. Large stretch panels here done in textile stretch fabric with the accordion to it, so the jacket moves well on the rider. That's going to just make the riding experience better. And also, if you happen to be using a Tech Air 5 underneath this, just helps to manage the deployment. It has somewhere for the air to go. Volume adjuster here in the waist. Leather and Velcro with a D-ring. External shoulder slider. Little perforation here in the forearm.
Hell yeah.
Tidied up the cuff with stretch fabric. That just, once again, wears lighter and more comfortable than leather. It also interacts better with gloves to make it more comfortable.
Especially with gauntlet gloves. It's nice when the jacket's form-fitting because it's very hard to slide a jacket or slide a set of gauntlet gloves when the jacket fits like a trash bag around the wrist.
Yeah, it's too fucking bulky.
Completely honest.
Armor that comes with the jacket. It comes with CE Level 1 armor in the shoulder. Remember, you have the external shoulder cup that works in conjunction with that to bolster protection in that area. And then Level 2 armor is found in the elbow and forearm. I realize on the surface you might think, oh, that's kind of imbalanced. You got to remember, the armor underneath is CE certified, and then you have that external shoulder cup, right, to help balance that out. You've got a ton of protection there.
Yeah.
The jacket comes with pockets for chest armor and back protector inserts.
Yeah, what I recommend for back protector inserts, because that's what is most important. You know, a lot of people, when they're going to crash, they kind of land on their back, especially in a high side. That's pretty common. And Alpinestars has kind of 2 new options. They have the plasma back protectors, which are pretty legit, come in full and a short size. Some jackets fit both. Sometimes they just fit one.
All the new jackets fit both. This one definitely fits both.
Yeah, and it's real nice. It's light. It's form-fitting to the body. And yeah, moves like gel. It's pretty legit.
At a minimum, right? This also accepts chest armor, which is
of course.
that's a great addition for sure.
Yeah.
At a minimum, you're going to invest in this jacket, you have to pick up a back protector insert.
Of course,
when you think about the tiny little bit of flesh that's in between your spine and the world, right, it's not a lot. You have an impact back there, it can be life-changing. You know, something as minor as that back protector insert can prevent the injury that would be life-changing.
Yeah.
You're going to buy the coat, buy the back protector.
I'm so
insert.
clumsy, I wear a back protector under every t-shirt. No, I'm kidding.
Exactly.
Hell yeah.
Exterior storage, 2 zipper hand warmer style storage pockets inside. On the left side of the jacket down here, there is a waterproof storage pocket. That's the right place to put your cell phone in for sure. On the other side, it's a mirror image of that pocket. It's not waterproof, little Velcro closure at the top, so there's plenty of storage built into this jacket. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get it off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. Tom has the microphone on, and we're going to do the inside-out view on the Alpinestars GP Plus RV4 Airflow leather jacket. This jacket ships complete with moldable, flexible, comfortable level 1 certified armor in the shoulder area, right? Level 2 armor in the elbow and forearm area. This stuff is heat sensitive. You wear it for a while, it warms up, it just gets more moldable, more comfortable. You're probably going, man, why is there a level 1 in the shoulder and level 2 in the elbow and forearm? Here is that external shoulder cup that comes on the majority of the Alpinestars leather jackets, race suits, right? You gotta remember that's gonna work in conjunction with the armor beneath to really help bolster protection in that area, so they're able to get away with using a thinner piece of armor which is more comfortable, right, in that spot, as compared to using something like this up in the shoulder area. Other armor, let's probably hit that real quick. This jacket comes with a pocket in the back protector area, right, the back. You're able to install one of the sold separate Alpinestars back protector inserts. There are 2 styles available, 2 lengths of coverage, right? The standard is going to be basically from where, say, my thumb here is and my hand down here. So it's going to terminate, you know, in the small of your back. The full coverage insert starts in the same place and it ends at the bottom of this gray pocket. What they've done is they put a dual stage pocket inside of the jackets now. So if you want more coverage, longer coverage, you buy this full coverage unit versus the standard unit. Beyond that, they're made from the same materials, certified to the same levels of protection. It just really comes down to the coverage that you want. We recommend to everyone, if you're going to buy the jacket, you're going to invest in the protection the jacket offers, at a minimum, add a back protector insert. The jacket also has the ability to accept the Alpinestars chest armor. These inserts slide right in a Velcro pocket right here, either side of the jacket at the chest. You slip it right in, and that's going to basically complement what you have: elbows, forearms, shoulders, and back, right? Shell of the jacket itself. A good-looking leather jacket from our friends at Alpinestars. Large leather panel here on the back. Alpinestars screen-printed logo down here. Little perforated panel up here at the top. Some segmented perforation up here on the shoulders. Here at the base of the neck, they're using some stretch fabric, screen-printed A-Star logo. This is just, you know, a comfort fabric here. This is just allows for, you know, a good exchange of energy, right? It wears really light. The heat energy can escape through that. Stretch fabric in the back of the jacket. You can see this large textile stretch fabric accordion panel they've got built in. And then down here, this material, this is another stretch fabric that Alpinestars has developed over the past few seasons. When you look at this, it kind of looks like leather, but it is a textile stretch fabric that has like a kind of a rubbery overlay to it, right? That controls the way that it stretches, makes it more abrasion and tear resistant, but it wears lighter than leather. These areas of the jacket are meant to enhance the mobility and comfort the jacket offers, to remove restriction, and it just makes the riding experience simply better. Volume adjustment here in the waist is provided with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. And you can see that behind that adjustment system, they've used stretch fabric in lieu of leather. It's lighter, thinner, and if you need to make an adjustment, it bunches up much easier and looks cleaner. Front of the jacket. Segmented perf here in the sleeve. They've terminated the cuff in stretch fabric. Once again, less bulky than leather. It's going to make it much easier to interact with your gloves in that area, much more comfortable. Locking zippers here, a little bit of perforation there. A motion panel in the elbow here. Alpinestars screen printed logo there. A little bit of perforation here in the upper arm. Give you a second look at that iconic Alpinestars shoulder armor that's inlaid in the sleeve of the jacket. Front of the jacket. Obviously, airflow is in the name. Airflow is in the game. We got a lot of perforation here in the center leather panel. Alpinestars logos are screen printed, split by the zip. They take a little break here with a perf, pick it back up again in the kind of collarbone area. A little bit of perf up here. And then fully perforated panels here in the abdomen. All the stretch fabric you see here in the arms and in the chest, that's all going to flow air freely. You add all that stuff up, and what you're going to have is you're going to have a very well ventilated jacket that's going to do you well in those hot summer rides that all of us really look forward to. Exterior storage is found using these two hand warmer style storage pockets. They're big pockets. This is something that over the years that all the companies have really improved upon. I wear 2X gloves, I have big hands. These pockets very easily accommodate my hands. I could still get them in there even with gloves on. You know, back in the day, I feel like some of the pockets maybe stopped like right here. It was hard to get your hand in there. They've got that all sorted out. Makes the riding experience better. Inside the coat, nice comfortable mesh liner. Zip to pants attachment system. Interior storage. There's a waterproof pocket found here on the left side. Great place to put your cell phone. On the right side, there's a Velcro style storage pocket to hold whatever else you may need. Comfort line collar, feels better against the skin. It's a really kind of a smooth, like maybe like almost like a neoprene-like fabric. Your back protector can be accessed if you want to install the insert. You just open this little Velcro pocket here. It's a two-stage pocket. Choose the insert that suits you best. Right here at the base of the jacket, there is another zippered pocket. You open this up if you want to gain access to the elbow armor. The shoulder armor can be removed and reinstalled using a pocket found here inside the mesh liner. The only reason you would need to go in that pocket there is if you want to get to the elbow armor itself. End of the day, what do I think? Well, I mean, it's Alpinestars. It looks great. It moves great. It's going to flow a ton of air. If you're looking in this price range, you want to get yourself a new leather jacket for the upcoming riding season, I believe this is a great option. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.